Hi everyone. Get ready to witness the transformation of a Harley-Davidson Fat Boy into a masterpiece by BT Choppers. The ape-hanger Toretto style takes center stage, giving this Fat Boy a distinctive and eye-catching appearance. Explore the new front end with BT Choppers fork covers and headlight, as well as the upgraded exhaust system featuring BT Choppers mufflers. But the customization doesn't stop there. BT Choppers has left their mark on the bike's exterior with custom seats and grips, enhancing both comfort and style. And of course, no custom build is complete without a striking custom paint job. Join us as we unveil the ape-hanger Toretto transformation, showcasing the meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail that define BT Choppers' custom creations. It's a ride you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.